The job description of a quality assurance specialist focuses on maintaining and improving the quality of products, services, and processes within an organization. These professionals ensure that all deliverables meet established standards before reaching the customer or end user. Employed across industries such as manufacturing, software development, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and food production, quality assurance (QA) specialists play a critical role in safeguarding brand integrity, customer satisfaction, and regulatory compliance. A quality assurance specialist is not simply a tester or inspector. Their work involves understanding the complete production or development cycle, identifying potential risks, enforcing quality protocols, and contributing to long-term improvements. They evaluate data, audit processes, and recommend changes that lead to higher efficiency and better results. The job demands a sharp eye for detail, analytical thinking, and a thorough understanding of quality systems and industry standards. In some organizations, quality assurance is a standalone department. In others, QA is integrated into operations, R&D, or production. Regardless of structure, QA specialists serve as the guardians of consistency, ensuring that output is not only functional but reliable, safe, and aligned with business or regulatory expectations. Key responsibilities of a quality assurance specialist. The responsibilities of a quality assurance specialist can vary based on the industry and specific organization, but the core objectives remain consistent, ensuring quality at every step of the process. Specialists are often involved in the development of quality assurance policies, procedures, and standards. They collaborate with internal teams to define benchmarks and ensure that those benchmarks are understood and followed. QA specialists design and execute inspection plans to monitor output. In manufacturing, this might involve measuring products against physical specifications using calipers, gauges, or visual checks. In software development, it could mean writing test cases, running automated test scripts, or performing manual exploratory testing to verify that applications behave as intended. One of the fundamental aspects of the job description of a quality assurance specialist is the detection and documentation of defects or nonconformities. Upon finding errors, QA specialists log them with clear descriptions and often suggest corrective actions. They work closely with production teams, engineers, or developers to investigate root causes and implement fixes. This proactive role helps prevent recurring issues and minimizes costly delays or recalls. Another major responsibility involves conducting audits, internal, supplier, or third party, to evaluate compliance with established quality standards such as ISO 9001, GMP, or other industry-specific regulations. These audits often result in detailed reports that highlight strengths, pinpoint weaknesses, and include recommendations for improvement. QA specialists may also take part in training employees on quality procedures. Ensuring that all departments understand how to maintain quality standards is vital in building a culture of excellence and accountability. Additionally, data analysis is a core part of their routine. QA professionals review statistical reports, track defect trends, and assess process performance using key performance indicators, KPIs. This data-driven approach enables the identification of long-term patterns and supports continuous improvement initiatives. In highly regulated industries like pharmaceuticals or aviation, QA specialists are involved in document control, ensuring that all SOPs, standard operating procedures, batch records, and certifications are accurately maintained and archived according to compliance standards. Halfway through understanding these responsibilities, it becomes clear that the job description of a quality assurance specialist is centered not only on problem detection but also on long-term problem prevention and operational refinement. Essential skills and qualities for the role. The role of a quality assurance specialist demands a combination of technical knowledge, soft skills, and meticulous work habits. First and foremost, attention to detail is paramount. The smallest oversight in quality assurance can result in significant product failures, customer dissatisfaction, or regulatory penalties. QA specialists must possess the discipline to review specifications, measurements, or codes with exact precision. Analytical skills are crucial. Whether it's interpreting test results, reviewing error logs, or analyzing failure trends, QA professionals need the ability to process data and make informed decisions based on evidence. Root cause analysis, RCA, is a common technique employed to understand how and why defects occur, and it requires logical reasoning and pattern recognition. Communication skills are equally important. QA specialists must clearly convey findings, write reports, and train team members in quality processes. Their ability to explain complex issues in a clear, concise manner ensures that others can act on their recommendations effectively, Problem-solving aptitude defines high-performing QA professionals. When quality issues arise, specialists must think critically and creatively to resolve them without disrupting operations. Their input often leads to changes in design, workflow, or materials that enhance overall performance. Familiarity with industry-specific quality standards is often required. For instance, a QA specialist in the medical device industry must understand FDA regulations, while someone in automotive might follow IATF 16949. Mastery of these frameworks is essential for achieving compliance and gaining stakeholder trust. Technical proficiency with tools such as Microsoft Excel, statistical software, like Minitab or SPSS, and quality management systems, QMS, platforms is often expected. In software QA, knowledge of automated testing frameworks like Selenium, Junit, or Postman may be essential. Interpersonal skills are also beneficial. QA specialists frequently interact with various departments, from engineering and production to customer service and procurement. Building collaborative relationships ensures smoother communication and quicker resolution of quality issues. Work environment and common challenges. Quality assurance specialists typically work in environments tailored to their industries. In manufacturing or food production, they may spend much of their time on the production floor, wearing protective gear and inspecting outputs in real time. In tech or software firms, QA specialists often work in office or lab settings, conducting system tests and engaging in meetings with developers or product managers. The work is often deadline-driven and may involve repetitive tasks that require sustained focus. The pressure to detect issues before products reach the market or end user can be intense, especially in high-stakes sectors such as aerospace or pharmaceuticals. Another challenge is balancing quality with productivity. While QA's role is to maintain standards, they must also be mindful not to create bottlenecks or slow down operations unnecessarily. Striking this balance requires diplomacy, assertiveness, and a deep understanding of business objectives. Despite these challenges, QA specialists often find great satisfaction in their work. They play a vital part in upholding safety, customer trust, and product integrity. The sense of ownership and pride in ensuring things are done right the first time is a motivating factor for many in this role. Education and training requirements. Most quality assurance specialist roles require at least a bachelor's degree in a related field such as quality management, engineering, life sciences, computer science, or manufacturing technology. However, some industries may accept candidates with an associate degree and significant hands-on experience. Certifications are highly regarded and can significantly boost career prospects. Common credentials include Certified Quality Auditor, CQA, Certified Quality Improvement Associate, CQIA, Certified Software Quality Analyst, CSQA, and Six Sigma Green or Black Belt certifications. These programs offer in-depth training in quality concepts, statistical methods, and project management. On-the-job training is often provided to familiarize specialists with specific company protocols, tools, or equipment. Continuous education is important as quality standards and technologies evolve regularly. Conclusion. The job description of a quality assurance specialist underscores a role that is both detail-intensive and strategically vital. QA specialists are instrumental in upholding product and service excellence, identifying inefficiencies, and promoting continuous improvement within an organization. For individuals who enjoy structured environments, critical thinking, and making systems better, this career path offers meaningful and impactful work. Whether testing a new app, inspecting medical devices, or analyzing food safety protocols, QA specialists help ensure that what reaches the customer is consistent, safe, and high in quality. Ultimately, a quality assurance specialist doesn't just spot problems, they solve them. They represent a critical line of defense between internal operations and external expectations, contributing daily to the reliability, trust, and reputation of the businesses they serve.